azange wa bolela sepe o maketse khatla
Putsai.
so o thuntshitse mo kae
Bethile mo pele ya khafa so ka ya feta.
you lie Desmond you lie Desmond
O botsa nnete a be thanna ka tšhaba ntse kitima so ke ka kwa sella gape so ke sure ke nako ya thuntšha bana ba bana
no sa mo ba protecta ba le two
a kgonagana jwang ka ne ba thuntše nna pena ka tšhaba a ka ba bonela ba thuntšana
can you confirm or is the same person
ke ene cause bana ba batho go nyale a ba sa lego ka baka la le nna ke nyakile se be gona ka baka la ke tsebile sepetlele ka ena Dman ga e ba keng a ena o tla loka
no sa mo ba protecta ba le two
a kgonagana jwang ka ne ba thuntše nna pena ka tšhaba a ka ba bonela ba thuntšana
it's quite shocking na ke sa itse gore Dimane o thuntshitse wena pele ha fetsa fela wena o tshaba that time o mo paining ha o le go kgolenyana fela o maketse o utlwile di-bullet tse pedi or I don't know gore ke tse 3 if I'm not mistaken but
e no kwa di-bullet
utlwa di-bullet
ga ke tswela pele ke tšhaba
ka ipotsisa gore Dimane pila na tsene keng wetse ha o lebeletse mo ditabeng ba re this guy is a suspect ebilane he's going to court at the moment can you confirm or is the same person
ke ene a fetse o bolela ke sa kukile sebakete tamane o bula lebate ka mokgwa o tlile ya ntšelela sekokile thoma le go beta a betha nna ka tšhaba ntse kitima so ke ka kwa sella gape so ke sure ke nako ya thuntšha bana ba bana
so o thomile ka wena o thomile go thuntsa
ka
wena
tšhaba ka mokgwa ba šadile ba mo ba bala ba o manyana tlhella ba kwatišana bona mbo
ke na le
ana se motho na tagile ga pone
na le soba
gape nna fitlha le nako a bolelele nna seno a tse damana zang ka bolelele no tlhakwa di a tša ke no kwa tsheke ya
and this is the first time o mmona Dimane azange o mmona mo bophelong ba
like ne ntse ke mmone ke sa ula bona batho no ba bona ko thabeneng a o tsebe o ke mang yena vele na se etša kueng kona ko thabeneng so ao ne no ba tšela tša go ntshetša ke fete ne ke sa tlwaelane le yena ke sa bolelele so nna ka te tšhabela bana ba le ka mokgwa lebile taba bana ba le ke itsebile ke le da sepetlele ke sendele ke ngwana mongwe video ambutšhere ka shapona ke re ke tla mohlalosetša le nna ke sepetlele ke bolela le wena a ntaetša video nna ka makala bana nna ne ke nagana o thuntše nna fela ga nthuntše le bana bana so ke timile fitlhelela ke tlo nyaka thušo mo ke bolomang gona
Desmond is a guy who got shot together with those two girls who unfortunately died about a month ago after they went to Groove in Pretoria, Mamelodi. He decided to go to Justify's podcast to tell his side of the story on what actually transpired, because there had been a lot of reports on social media, you guys, a lot of fake news regarding what actually transpired. Desmond details that he was with the two girls that fateful night when they got killed. He said that the guy who shot the guy who shot and killed the two girls um, is the very same guy who shot him, you guys. He says that these two girls were with this guy at a club, and just when it was time to go home, Desmond was with the other girl who he said that he wasn't or isn't dating. They were just friends. And as they were going to the car, that's when this guy decided to just take out a gun and then shoot him. He says that he will never forget that fateful night when this man just said to him, Fotzek, and he said that he was shot on his private parts and on his foot. He said that he was shot first and then he decided to run away and get help, ran to the clinic and got help. And he says that a day later, it is when he was sent the news that the two girls were shot by this guy and killed. You guys, he says that it is definitely him, and he said he doesn't even know why the guy did what he did, but he suspects that maybe he could have been jealous that Desmond was maybe dating one of the girls, but he states that he wasn't dating any of them. He says that, the news that were running on social media saying that the girls had drank that guy's money are false. In fact, he says that those two girls were buying their own alcohol. He said each of them bought 6. So rumors and lies that they ate that guy's 10,000 rands are exactly that, lies. He said it is impossible for someone to just, drink a lot of money, especially on such a short period of time. He says that, what, social media will always talk, but I was there, I saw everything. Those poor girls were innocent. They went out there to have fun, and the guy was just probably jealous. There is no such thing that he was dating one of the girls. There is also no such thing that he tried to save the girl. He says that, as a matter of fact, when the guy shot me, because the guy shot me first, I ran away for my life. I thought the girls were going to be fine, but I was very much disappointed to hear the following day that the two girls had died. He said that, however, he is not ready to face the person who did all of this, but he is forced to do so because he is a witness to everything that actually happened. He stated that he opened a case of attempted murder against the guy who brutally, killed those two girls, and he said that he opened his own case of attempted murder after being shot, and he says that he is not ready to face him, but however, there is no choice for him as this all happened to him, and he's still going to be a witness in the murder case, you guys. He also says that if the families of the two girls wants to reach out to him and talk to him, they're more than welcome to contact him, you guys. That was definitely one of the most saddest stories that I have ever seen, you guys, especially regarding the fake news that we have been fed on social media, painting these girls as some sort of gold diggers, you guys. And Desmond says that those girls are two innocent young girls who don't even know the life of, gold digging. Please do make sure that you do watch the rest of the podcast interview here on YouTube, of course, with Justify. You guys, we are definitely sending out our deepest and sincere condolences to the family of those two girls, and of course, may the perpetrator face the law, you guys. And Desmond, we just wish that he finds healing in all of this.